All right guys, in this video we are going to be installing the Hall communication cable through the stem of the scooter. The most important piece is making sure you're starting with the right slot. There's two on the front stem. One is for the brake line, which is to the right. One is to the left, which is for the cable that we're installing now. We recommend starting from the very top opening and threading it all the way down to the bottom by pushing it through the slot and making sure that the cable does not come out of the channel while you're pushing it through. Usually you'll have your scooter assembled during this process, but for the purpose of this demonstration, we have the top unit off as well as the stem disconnected from the hinge of the scooter. It's really important that it stays in the channel, because if you go to put your battery pack in and the cable is out of the channel, you run the risk of damaging the wire, which will cause your scooter to either malfunction or not start and turn on correctly. So once you have it in, I'd recommend leaving about 1 inch of length at the top to allow some room to install the top unit. And then at the bottom of the stem, you should have your cable coming out in the groove. One thing to note is when you are putting this back onto the hinge, you'll have to remove this slightly out of the groove in order to get it over top of the hinge. We have another video for that when it comes to doing a controller replacement or a motor installation. But that's how you install the Hall cable. We can even show you now if you wanted to put a battery through the tube to make sure everything is fastened correctly. That's the best way to make sure that everything is in place. If that battery slides smoothly through your stem, you'll know that the cable is in the right position.